right, Mike, what do we have here today?
Well, this is the Nova Blast arcade system, a modern replacement or modern remake of a Japanese candy cat.
Yeah, and we have been waiting on this thing for like 14 months.
Yeah. I was going to order one for the Starship, and then I didn't, and Mike ordered one for the Time Rift, and...
Like a year before we opened.
Good Lord. Literally opened the time. I don't even know where to put this thing once we do get it built out. So.
Well, I'm super excited about building it.
Me too.
We haven't quite decided what game to put in it yet.
No, that's going to be part of the fun, I guess.
Yeah.
So,
well, let's get unboxing this thing.
Let's tear this thing open and see what we got.
Well, I guess we figured out which game we're going to put in it.
Yeah, we went with Ninja Baseball Batman, which is an IREM game. Kind of rare to see. This is a fun little board, but it looks really great on this.
I feel like it fits the cabinet perfectly.
Yeah, it does. It has that very foreign feel to it because you play these characters that are basically Batman with baseball bats. So pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, what's your overall thought on the Nova Blast as a whole? Like, I mean, to me, it's a very, very cool, like, modern version of a candy cab. It does have an LCD, which some people are not going to like.
Right. You know, the purist out there isn't going to love the fact that it's an LCD, but it is in the 4x3 format, which is pretty cool. The versatility of being able to plug anything in, like JAMA or a computer or an Xbox or
anything. It's even got USB plugs.
Yeah, so you can. The versatility inside is really pretty cool. Love the color scheme. It's great. They really did capture the essence of a Japanese candy cabinet, like a Blast City or an Arrow City or Astro. So that they really nailed. I love the color scheme. I love the controls. There's not a lot to hate about it, but
I think there's a little bit of fit and finish issues
Yeah.
as we discovered putting it together. There's like some of the bends and things are not as nice as I'd like them to see. But again, this
Right.
is the first production, so I'm sure they'll tighten that up over time.
yeah.
And then what else? Oh, how long it took to get it? That also was,
Yeah,
was
it's
frustrating. But again, I think that's probably solved now.
I hope so. That was a better part of a year. if
Yeah,
not
14 months.
14 months. All of the year. And I did love the fact that some of the internals, it did come with instructions on how to build it, a lot like IKEA sends instructions to build their furniture. But after that, as far as how to plug things in, what needs to go where, or what switches do what,
Yeah.
it's kind of a guessing game.
Yeah, kind of
Unless-
figure it out.
Yeah. I don't know if there's something on their website.
Nothing I've seen. There might be, and we just didn't see it. But.
There wasn't like a manual with it to operate it. So.
Well, it's on the floor today
Yeah.
at the Time Rift Arcade, so we hope you come and play it.
Yeah, come out and see us and watch this video. Thank you. And
Absolutely.
Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and come play the Nova Blast and play some Ninja Baseball Batman.
Ninja Baseball Batman.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
Yeah. See you guys.
Adios.